Hey horror fans! My Friendly Neighborhood just hit Xbox Game Pass, bringing creepy puppets and chilling vibes. Ready to face your childhood nightmares? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest gaming news. Let's dive into this unsettling indie gem. My Friendly Neighborhood landed on Xbox Game Pass, and it's freaking gamers out. This 2023 indie horror game mixes clever puzzles, survival, and evil puppets in a twisted TV studio. Wanna know why it's a must-play? Keep watching. My Friendly Neighborhood follows Gordon, a repairman sent to fix an abandoned studio once home to the Friendly Neighborhood, a kids' TV show. Now the show's mysteriously back on air, and its puppets have turned downright sinister. Players navigate dark sets, solve brain-bending puzzles, and dodge malevolent puppets in a creepy, non-gory take on mascot horror akin to Five Nights at Freddy's. This indie gem blends exploration, survival, and puzzle solving in a deeply unsettling world. The puppets, once cute, now terrifying, chase you through a studio gone wrong, creating a unique spin on horror without blood and gore. Its smart narrative and chilling atmosphere make it a standout on Xbox Game Pass, alongside cozy and cinematic titles. My Friendly Neighborhood proves Xbox Game Pass is killing it with diverse, high-quality indies. Its mix of creepy vibes and clever gameplay makes it a perfect fit for horror fans and puzzle lovers alike. Could this be 2025's sleeper hit? It's time to face the puppets and find out. My Friendly Neighborhood is live on Xbox Game Pass. Download it on Xbox and dive into the creepy studio. Which puppet's freaking you out the most? Drop it below. That's the scoop on My Friendly Neighborhood on Xbox Game Pass. Are you hyped to outsmart those creepy puppets or solve the studio's mysteries? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates.